Hi everyone, it's time for my September Project Pan update. So I have much better news on the Project Pan front than last month. Last month was really frustrating and a bust. However, I literally went in more aggressively with the products this month. So let's do the lipstick first because I used it up. There's nothing above the white lip there. Like I could dip in and try to get some of this makeup out, but it's like a ridgy like exterior. It's probably plastic, but this little guy is done. I finished it. I did it. And like I said, I just went in aggressively with it. And like every time it wore off or I needed a lip balm, I just put this on. And it is a little sample from Clinique. No idea where I got it. It's not cruelty-free Clinique, so I'm not going to be repurchasing. The color was fine, but I'm not going to be repurchasing. It was called Twlight Nude, and I started this in May, and I finished it in September. So, goodbye. The next lipstick is a Covergirl lipstick called Vintage Wine. They do make it, they just don't make this packaging anymore. And I didn't make any progress. I mean, the line is the same for September. This is September 4th. I used it a couple times. The other one is obviously was tinier and like less diameter and smaller. So like less of it. So it was easier to use up. So at least there's that. This one, I decided I'm going to throw it out regardless of how much of it I've used by the end of the year because enough is enough. Alright, moving on to eyeshadow. So for those of you who don't know, Project Pan is where you're using up your makeup. A lot of makeup that's a powder gets pressed into these metal pans really tight, and then as you use the brush to kick it up and use it on your face, eventually you're going to hit the pan underneath. It's quite satisfying, but it means you're using it up. And some people for Project Pan do, using up the entire palette. For me, I'm just going to use this until I hit pan in all 12 pans. So, still very frustrated, but I did technically hit pan in this one. Right? This were all hit already. Last month I didn't have any hit, like any new ones hit. And then just breaking through on this. I've been using this as a highlighter. I actually have it on now. The lighting's a little weird today. It's like 100 degrees in here. Not that that really affects anything, but it's just like, whew. I didn't feel like putting lashes on, so my eyes look really tiny. So yeah, I'm down to one lipstick. I don't think I'm gonna do lipstick next year because it kind of makes me hate the lipstick. What I mean by that is that like I'm reaching for it when I have to or when I have a moment to like sneak it in. Not like, oh, I'd really like to use this color. Like it kind of takes the joy out of it. So yeah, anyway, it's also like it's easier when it's a neutral color to wear more often. But I just wanted to use this one up. But it's stressing me out more than the eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow can be multifunction. And, I can use this as a blush. It's like, do I keep it downstairs in the office where I'd wear it on my lips more? Keep it upstairs where I'd use it as a blush? I don't know. I'm not going to do a lipstick next year. I'm already thinking about the eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to do. And I want more versatility in the colors for next year. But at least I'm making progress in this. I should have a big hole in this one. Holy shoot. There's only 3 more updates, unless I do one like December 31st. Today is September 4th. Did I say that? October, November, December. I have 3 months to use 5 pans. I gotta get cracking. Sorry, I don't know if I mentioned, this is a palette called LA Colors. It's called Chic is the type. And it's mostly purples, a neutral and 2 whites, or creamy, whatever. I was using those for highlight. They're all kind of a little shimmery. I think that's it. Yeah, I used up a lipstick. Still working on my arch nemesis lipstick, and sort of hit another pen in this. So there's progress, 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 progress. All right, so thanks for watching another Project Pan update. Let me know how your Project Pan is going this year and what products you're doing. Let me know if you're doing a lipstick and if you have any ideas on how to get rid of it, except for like pressing harder. We'll see you soon. Bye. Eyeshadow, other face products, anything that's a powder, except for loose powder. What was I saying? I gotta get cracking.